Hey everyone, and welcome to an all new episode of All About Sports, the podcast. I'm going to start things off by firstly introducing my co-hosts as well. So I'm Mazhar Gadiwala. I have Shubham Malu, Rishabh Krishnan, and Aniket Gui with me.
This is going to be a weekly podcast where we'll be bringing you guys a lot of information about the world of sports and what's going around.
It's so good.
Banter. My God, this guy's a wind-up merchant. I love it. It was just business.
So I took it personally.
It's Dennis.
I'm also known as the world's okayest sim racer.
My journey in sports pretty much started playing sports myself.
What was your experience like of playing football in the UK and then playing back here, obviously, as well?
Like my toes were frozen when I had to go take this corner kick, and I was like, I'm pretty sure I'll break my toes if I try and kick it.
Hey everyone, it's UFC 261 and we are All About Sports, the podcast. He's a mixed martial artist. He has represented India at the highest level.
Today's topic that we'll be covering is badminton. It is the second fastest growing sport in India. It is becoming the second most beloved sport in India. We are producing top talent. And speaking about top talent, we have our guest, Shlok Ramachandran.
It's always amazing to have a hobby converting into a career.
Just sounds amazing. It fills us with pride to know that you were the only Indian running.
I was bleeding on my knees and elbow, but I had like bandage put in place. And even for the last about 500 meters is when my coach gave me the Indian flag. And having that on me also given the extra pump of motivation.
Beijing was, according to me, the pinnacle.
It's just brought out the best in the country.
China's entire motto has been focus.
With a single goal in mind, that is to win gold.
The media seemed way sexier than law ever could be.
It is an inspiration. Here is a guy who studied law, has gone out and has pursued what he's really passionate about.
I told myself that the 5 years I'm in law school, there are two things that I love. Talking to a microphone, because I'd done it earlier. And the second thing was sport.
The Spurs, Greg Popovich, you have Tim Duncan, Manu Ginobili, and Tony Parker. How did you enjoy? Because they went up against your Lakers a lot in the Western Conference.
I'm sure you are one of those customers of his underwear brand. 100%.
I should have insured his tongue.
Yeah. He's got the sexiest man looks. I think he's the sexiest man on this list, probably.
This doesn't make any sense.
It's been all over the place.
I 100% stand by that statement. It is absolutely makes sense.
I turned off the TV and then turned it on just because I had nothing to do.
I feel for you guys.
I mean, I'm not a glory hunter.
No. When you're playing Roy Keane, how can you not get a red card?
I actually wanted to ask a question for cricket. So in baseball, there's so much emphasis on pitching, right? Where the batters honestly can't hit it. And out of 10 times, if a batter can hit it 3 times, he's considered really good, almost the MVP. Is it a similar story in cricket as well, where no one can hit the ball?
The women's rankings, who is number 1 in the world? Which country? This is just a right or wrong answer. There's no closest to anything.
There you have it. That was our quiz. Hope everyone enjoyed it. I know it was a bit hard and I went a bit harsh on you guys with the questions. But I feel like there was a lot to learn in general from it. Like Shoaib Akhtar getting banned 13 times is no joke. Over a span of 9, almost 10 years. But
Dude, Maradona shooting, man. I can't believe it.
Yeah, that's. I don't think it's hard to guess that one. You can't.
I think because this was something like everyone associates him with drugs and all of that, right? And so suddenly you just have this guy shooting. So.
Yeah, like literally, when Mazhar asked that question, I was like, he must have smuggled drugs. And Mazhar is like, you are supposed to do better than that. And I'm like, how am I supposed to do better than that?
He was talking about imbibing other qualities of Pablo Escobar also.
We're doing our best to not only share our opinions as fans of sports, but also be better humans ourselves. Racism is absolutely disgraceful and cannot exist in today's world and should not exist.
Okay, great. If this were a popularity contest, we know who's winning.
It's all about the money, yeah. It's all about the money.